What's happening, guys? How's everybody doing out there on this Friday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check out this website to see what I got going on. All right, we're back. What we wanted to do is go over a program that we actually joined August of last year. Okay, and we haven't talked about it in a while, but we've been promoting it behind the scenes. I've also plugged it in to the AI platform that I am using, Sparky AI. So we're definitely still in this program and promoting it, right? You just hadn't seen me talk about it for a while, so I want to come out and do a video on it for 2025, and we'll be talking about it a little more. But definitely a staple in this marketplace of direct sales, digital marketing, and affiliate marketing. Get the bag, $400 per day, instant pay, 100% check match. Wouldn't you like to see it? Absolutely, instant pay. Want to learn how to create content, okay? Be better at creating content, level up your skills, and earn instant commissions sharing this awesome program. I want you to check out this short little snippet, and we'll be back to get into it. Again, go to the link in the description, go here, click this link. This little image says get the bag, and check it out, www.coffeeandcoins.info. But check this little video out real quick and I'll be back. Let's go.
Okay, let's talk about some instant commissions here powered by Content Marketing Pros, better known as CMP, your one-stop shop to elevate your content. But let me show you what we got here. We got 4 individual levels here that a person can actually get started at. We have the designer pack, which is $100 one-time payment, pays $40 instantly anytime you refer somebody at that level. Then, of course, we have the creator pack, one-time payment of $250. It pays $100 instantly anytime you refer somebody at the creator level. Then we got the influencer pack, which is a one-time $500. It pays an instant $200 commission straight to you anytime you refer somebody at the influencer level. And then we have our most popular pack, which is the pro pack, which is a one-time payment of $1,000. It pays $400 instantly anytime you refer somebody at the pro pack. Now, what's really exciting is our 100% check match, which is a second tier commission on all your personal direct referrals to CMP. Here's an example. Let's say that you came in at the pro pack, which is our most popular pack. Most people come in at this level. Here's why. Let's say, for example, you enroll 5 new members at the pro level. So enroll 5 pro pack members. Well, you're going to earn $400 per person. So $400 times 5 equals $2,000. Now, here's what's pretty cool. Let's say those 5 new members that you just enrolled, let's say they go out and get 5 people themselves. Well, remember, you're going to get 100% check match on any time they make a commission as well. So if those 5 members went out and got 5 as well, so your 5 members enrolled 5 Pro Pack members themselves, that's going to add up to $10,000. So if you take that $10,000 plus your $2,000, that's $12,000 in instant commissions, and all you brought in was just 5 people.
Okay, well, you saw the short video and it showed you how the compensation plan worked. This is an affiliate program, a direct sales member-to-member program. It's not network marketing. Okay, it's not MLM. It is direct sales member-to-member, where when folks purchase the digital products, because that's what we have here, digital products that you're going to get instant access to, when they purchase it directly from your link, they're going to pay you directly. There's no middleman here, okay? You're going to be paid instantly in any way you want to get paid. There's several options in which you can receive your commissions, all right? So this is an opportunity you've been waiting on, guys. We will talk more about it as well for 2025. Create better content, level up your skills, as I said earlier. Instant commissions. We got tons of testimonies on this. Follow the 3-step simple system to start making instant commissions. You can get started. There's 4 programs that you can select from. Get in where you fit in is what I like to tell people. Purchase your product. That's step 1. Step 2, copy and paste the ads that you're given, pre-written ads on social media, where they show you exactly where and how to start posting the ads to drive traffic to your capture page for this program. Okay, simple, copy and paste. Anybody can copy and paste, no matter what age you are. Okay, you can do this. Okay, of course, this is affiliate marketing, so you have to put the work in, right? Putting the work in means promotion, 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 promotion. That's how that works. But you'll get paid instantly from every referral that you make. All right, we don't have any pass up here, pass ups, no one ups. You earn every commission that someone signs up from your link. Okay, if someone signs up from your link, straight to you. Instant referral commission straight to your account as often as you like. Depends on how much work you do, right? We don't know what you're going to make because we don't know your work ethics. You got to put the work in order to get the results. But just keep going, guys. Now, check it out. The company offers what they call a team rotator. All right? You're going to automatically be put in that rotator when you sign up. They put you in it automatically, which is going to give you free traffic, free exposure to your opportunity. Okay, that doesn't mean you should sit back and not do anything since they're going to put you in a rotator, right? You still want to do your part. This is your business. Okay, so let's take a look. Here's what you're going to get inside of Content Marketing Pros. 4 programs, the designer pack. Everything is here that you're going to need. All right, they've got several modules for this designer pack. Here's everything. I want you to go check it out. Link is in the description. coffeeandcoins.info. Right? Create eye-popping graphics. Unlimited ideas using AI. That's module 2. This is only at $100. Okay? Get started where you can. That's all on you. So, you're going to get access to the designer pack. It's only $100. So, get access to the designer pack for $100 every time someone purchases the designer pack from you. You're going to get a $40 instant referral commission. Okay? There's no monthly fees with this, by the way. No monthly fees. You pay for your product one time. No monthly fees. Now, what I love about this program that a lot of the programs don't offer is the 100% check match. Okay? 100% check match on all personal referrals, which is what you just saw in that video I just showed you. Okay? All right, so every time one of your members signs someone up and they purchase the $100 pack, they make $40 and you make $40. That's where you get leverage with this program. Okay, it's not just a one and done. Just imagine everybody you sign up, they purchase a product. And then when somebody purchases from them, they make money, you make money. Okay? To infinity. Next product, the Creator Pack. All right? The Creator Pack includes video editing tips and tricks. They show you how to use just your smartphone to make videos. I know a lot of people out here is buying a lot of expensive equipment. You can do it from your phone. So that's what this program also shows you. All right, video editing tips and tricks, editing with phones and more. That is the Creator Pack. It's a ton of value in here. For $250, you're gonna get this particular product, product number 1 and this product. So you're gonna get 2 products for the $250. Okay, you'll get this designer pack and you'll get the Creator Pack. Okay, every time you sell the Creator Pack to someone, you make $100. Okay, and of course, all the programs have the 100% check match. Every time one of your teammates sell the Creator Pack, they make 100, you make 100. Okay, the third program is the Influencer Pack. Shows you how to create sales funnels, CMP resources, more additional trainings, graphics, digital assets, resources. This is called the Influencer Pack. It's $500. Every time you sell the Influencer Pack, you make $200. Every time one of your teammates sell the Influencer Pack, you make $200. That's check match, 100%. Fourth pack is the Pro Pack. Okay, the Pro Pack is everything. That's all 4 programs. How to clone your voice and creating videos using AI. creating high converting professional video sales pages, learn how to deliver live presentations like a pro going live, doing webinars, etc. Learn the top 3 video editing platforms that CMP uses, okay, that the company themselves, what do they use? All right, creating pro videos without any editing required. They show you how to do that. How to create and edit viral videos for social media. Okay, get access to that pro pack. Again, that's all 4 programs for $1,000, and every time you sell the pro pack, you make $400. Every time one of your teammates sells the pro pack, you make $400. Okay, now this program, all of them, doesn't matter which one you purchase, you're going to get these bonuses. These bonuses are very valuable. Canva training. Okay, Canva, learn how to transform your ideas into stunning visual, effortless Canva. I use Canva every day. Faceless content training, pre-written ads. Copy and paste these ads. They're showing you exactly where and when to copy and paste the ads on social media. Okay, you get the exact content. You get a daily marketing calendar. Know exactly what type of content to post or upload on social media every day. Okay, get access to VidSite. This is you can upload all your videos to a high converting video page to attract more leads and sales. Okay, you're going to get the viral video vault, where you can download these viral videos that you can use to drive traffic to your brand or your offers. Daily success blueprint. Daily success blueprint, get a daily detailed checklist to follow that keeps your business active and profitable, so you know every day what you should be doing. Of course, we've got a Facebook group, so you can stay plugged into that and with the community. And we also have, with this bonus, 31 email swipes, a full month of email swipe copy that you can use to follow up with your leads, guys. Copy and paste. I know, especially if you're new, you may not know, well, what emails can I send out to people? 31 days of emails right inside this dashboard, okay, in your back office. All right, so let's compare those 4 too. Okay, I'm just going to show you here. You can go look at this. The 4 programs, right? The designer, the creator, the influencer, and the pro. And it shows you on this page, so you can kind of see, well, what's in this one that's not in this one, right? As you can see, the designer compared to the pro, and so forth, right? So you pay, if you want the designer, that's $100. If you want the creator, that's $250. If you want the influencer, it's $500. If you want the pro, all 4 programs is $1,000, right? All right, but take a look at this little chart here so you can kind of see what each program has, and you get in where you fit in. You can always upgrade at a later time, okay? But get started. That's the name of the game. Just sitting on the sidelines is not going to get you anywhere. You must take action to get this thing going. This is a done for you system, by the way, so you don't have to worry about creating anything. Just jump in and plug in. Everything is already here for you, okay? So, got more testimonies on here. It's time to get started. Activate 4 income streams and earn instant $40, $100, $200, and $400 in commissions. You also earn 100% check match on all personal referrals, direct sales at the same level as you or lower. Okay, and I showed you the video earlier. All right, and that's the comp plan, guys. Very simple. No pass-ups, no one-ups. You keep all your commissions. We don't have to worry about that over here. And you also, you get to decide how you want to get paid. Okay? So check this out. Let's sum it all up. Here's what you get when you join Content Marketing Pros. The opportunity to get paid daily, because it's instant commissions. Learn from the experts that know how to get results online. Get added to the CMP Team Rotator, high converting done for you system to promote CMP. Marketing videos that do all the explaining for you. Yeah, we don't have to explain this. Don't try to explain this to people. Just send them to your capture page. Let the system do the selling and telling for you. Okay? And it will close the sales out and collect the payment for you. Okay? So, the ability to add your own videos if you want. Professional layout that walks your prospects through the opportunity. eye-popping colors that command attention, high-converting lead capture page, add many of your social media profiles, and more. All right? Now, earlier I talked about how you're going to be added automatically in the company's rotator. Okay? So the team rotator gets you traffic to your capture page. So let's just look over here real quick. I'm going to show you some analytics real quick. I'm in my dashboard and I'm under the analytics and statistics of the traffic. Today alone, I've received 129 hits on my capture page. Okay, today alone. All right, here's some of the stats here. If we come down, if you look how it's gone up from February 1st, look, up, up, up. Okay, because you know the beginning of the year, kinda, people are just getting back in from the holidays, right? So you can see how it's gone up here now. The exposure to the opportunity. And take a look here. I'm just going to show you this. Look at this. This is real time. As of today, look, it shows you someone clicked on the link using Windows 10, a desktop. Someone had not an iPhone. Somebody had a phone, a Droid phone, a handheld phone, and they clicked on the link. Look, there was a Windows, Chrome, another one, desktop, an Android phone, Windows. It shows you what the type of device the folks were using, right? Let's look over here. We go over to the next page. It's showing you this is real time. Someone was on a Mac OS desktop, Mac OS, Windows 10, Android, iPhone. Here's an unknown desktop. I mean, this is real-time traffic, guys. Okay? So this thing is very much alive. And it's funny, I had someone reach out today and say, hey, is this thing still going? What's going on with it? Yes. And you know, guys, a lot of times, even if you don't hear, you know, because in this space, online marketing, make money online, I know a lot of times, 90 days, you see folks, they go in, and you may see a little incline of people maybe not promoting their own to the next thing. But guess what? That doesn't mean the previous program is not working, right? The program still works as long as you work it, okay? As long as the company has the sites up, it works. If somebody goes there and make a payment to you, it works, okay? So it's just about you putting it out here and getting exposure, whether you're buying traffic or you're doing your own promoting on social media. Okay. The program is still very much alive. All right. So again, go check it out. Link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to come to this page. See right here, this picture that says get the bag. Click that. Go there, put in your email and check it out. See how the funnel actually works. All right. And you can get started today, guys, today, and be promoting it today because you get instant access. That's what I love about digital programs. There's no delay. As soon as you make your purchase, you have your product. All you have to do is go in here, plug in, put your payment info, start promoting. Okay. And they show you in here what you can post, copy and paste. You can buy traffic, all of that. For everybody to get started with me at the pro level, I'm going to do a solo ad, right, which is going to send 200 visitors to your capture page to get you started, all right? All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.